All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the world of smart factories. What exactly is a smart factory? Think of it as a factory that's supercharged with cutting-edge technology. It's a space where machines, devices, and systems are interconnected, sharing data in real time to boost efficiency and productivity. Picture automated assembly lines in the automotive industry or precision manufacturing in electronics. These are prime examples of smart factories in action. Now, where does AI and machine learning come into play? Imagine predictive maintenance AI algorithms analyze data to anticipate when a machine might fail, preventing costly downtime, or consider automated quality control. AI-powered vision systems can detect defects with incredible accuracy, ensuring top-notch product quality. Machine learning also optimizes production processes by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements. So, what's the upside? With smart factories, you get increased efficiency, higher productivity, and better product quality. Automation reduces defects and enhances safety, cutting down on workplace accidents. But it's not all smooth sailing. Implementing AI comes with challenges like data security concerns, the cost of integration, and the need for a skilled workforce to manage these advanced systems. Looking ahead, the future of smart factories is exciting. As AI and machine learning technologies evolve, we'll see even more sophisticated applications. This will impact job markets, making workforce training essential. Collaboration and partnerships will be crucial in driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's it for today, folks. Keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the tech revolution. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology.